Hello everyone, welcome to our daily quiz session designed to help you prepare for the AFO exam. Today, we will test your knowledge and skills in key areas relevant to today's target topics. If you are missed our today's target topics, check out my previous shorts video for more information. Without any delay, let's start our quiz. This is the answer to our last question from the last quiz. Dash is called drought avoidance crop. Answer B. Pure millet. The right answer was given by Kavya 8541. Congratulations, future AFO. The first question of today's quiz is Dash is the only hybrid rice released by private organization. Option A PHP 81, option B PHP 10, option C PHP 71, option D PRH 71. Answer option C PHP 71. Second question, wild rice is dash. Option A Echinocoloa crassicale, option B Echinocoloanum, option C barnyard grass, option D Oryza sativa. Answer option B Echinocoloanum. Third question, dash is the cardinal temperature of rice. Option A 21 to 37 degree, option B 27 to 32 degree, option C 32 to 36 degree, option D 30 to 32 degree. Answer option D 30 to 32 degree. Fourth question, reclamation disease of cereals due to dash. Option A copper, option B zinc, option C ferrous deficiency, option D ferrous toxicity. Answer option A copper. Fifth question, IR8 variety released by dash. Option A IARI, option B IIRI, option C IRRI, option D NRRI. Answer option C IRRI. Sixth question, salinity tolerant rice variety is dash. Option A Jaya, option B IR8, option C TKM6, option D Jagannath. Answer option B IR8. Seventh question, dash is used to measure atmospheric pressure. Option A barometer, option B anemometer, option C hygrograph, option D porometer. Answer option A barometer. Eighth question, plant growth is measured by dash. Option A oxynometer, option B photometer, option C piezometer, option D Beaufort scale. Answer option A oxynometer. Ninth question, which is used to measure stomatal behavior? Option A photometer, option B photometer, option C photometer, option D pycnometer. Answer option B porometer. The last and final question of this quiz, dash is used to measure specific gravity of soil and dash is used to measure specific gravity of liquid. Option A manometer and aerometer, option B hydrometer and pycnometer, option C pycnometer and hydrometer, option D pycnometer and hygrometer. Comment down your answer. Right answer will be pinned in the comment section. That's all for today's quiz. Review your answer and get back tomorrow for more challenging questions to enhance your preparation for the AFO exam. Good luck!